Hello everyone! Teacher Jem Raymond is here. Good news po mga teachers. May bagong region po na narilisan na ng Special Allotment Release Order o SARO para sa Performance-Based Bonus 2022 as of August 19, 2024, bandang alas 10 po ng umaga. So alamin natin ito sa video na to. Now, recap muna tayo saglit. Noong August 7 nga, 2024, unang narilisan ng SARO ang DepEd Region 5 or Bicol Region. Sunod naman, ang iilang SDO at National High Schools mula sa DepEd Region 8 o Eastern Visayas noong August 13, 2024. Sumunod naman ang DepEd NCR at iilang SDO ng DepEd Region 8 noong August 14, 2024. At noong August 15, 2024, iilang SDO at National High School na naman mula DepEd Region 8 ang may saro na para sa kanilang PBB 2022. Today, August 19, 2024, anong region na naman kaya ang may saro na? Ito na nga yung saro from DBM as of August 19, 2024. Tingnan natin ito ng malapitan. As of August 19, 2024, 10:02 a.m. to be exact, nakatanggap na naman ang DepEd through the Office of the Secretary ng Special Allotment Release Order o SARO mula sa DBM for funding requirement for the fiscal year 2022 Performance-Based Bonus or PBB pursuant to Executive Order No. 80 and 201 Series of 2012 and 2016 respectively as implemented under Memorandum Circular No. 2022-1 dated March 24, 2022. At ito ay nagkakahalaga ng total of 1,435,219,286 pesos. At anong region kaya ito ngayon? Congratulations, DepEd Region 3 or DepEd Central Luzon. Pang-apat sila na rehiyon na narilisan na ng Special Allotment Release Order from DBM as of August 19, 2024. We're very happy for the officials and employees from DepEd Region 3. Again, congratulations to DepEd Region 5, Region 8, NCR, and now Region 3 or DepEd Central Luzon. For sure, for DepEd Region 3, in the coming days, magre-release na ng Notice of Cash Allocations ang DBM para ma-process na talaga ng inyong agency ang inyong PBB at magiging available na for our dear teachers' individual payroll accounts ang kanilang PBB 2022. And that's all for this video, teachers. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your support. Till next time, keep safe everyone!